How to check payment history on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. Over here, go to Media and Purchases. Then, tap on View Account. You can view and manage your account settings from here. And then, go to Purchase History. You can view all your purchase history on this page. You can also change filters to see your other purchases. Tap on Change Filters as shown. Choose a date range from here. For example, last year. Then, tap on Type to select the types of purchase history you want to see. You can select more than one type. After that, tap on Apply at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily check payment history on iPhone.